Ma'am Eliza Marie A. Corio, our PTA PIO.
Wow, patingin pa sa salamin Ilang for storage yan? Ilang for storage? Andun na ba yan? Alam mo yung for storage? Hindi. Alam ko. Ilisin mo nga. Mahiwag salamin si Ivan nakatira sa
Thank you very much for dear officers. Now may we request to call all our officers here in our stage para masabi full opportunity. Group picture. All PTA officers. May we request all PTA officers to please come here and stay on our stage. Once again, thank you to our dear officers for the school year 2023-2024. Next, to award the set of officers for the People Government Organization, may I call on Jermina Dasha G. Flores, President of People Government Organization.
Marimar! Uy, ako si Shosho Pijuan mo rin. Tingin ako, patingin ako. Di ba pinapakita?
Now, may we call on Marimel Please V. Lola, Vice President of People Government Organization.